All right, so what I'm going to show you guys today is I'm going to unbox my 19-inch wrapper hugger front fender from Advanblack, and then I'm going to install it. I'll show you the pretty much two tools that you're going to need, and let's get going. I did order this to be color matched to the bike. I have ordered multiple different parts from them, color matched, and they always do an amazing job. So let's see what we got. Looks like Bobby's gonna be the hardware. Yep, pretty much the hardware with the black spacers that I had ordered. They always do a good job of packaging these. There's a new front fender. Looks amazing. Can't wait to get this thing on. All right, be right back. All right, so the few hand tools you will need. Pretty much you're gonna need a quarter to remove the stock bolts from the stock fender. The nuts are welded onto the stock fender, so you're not gonna need any kind of wrenches for that. You are gonna need a 13 because the nuts are separate from the fender. They don't come welded on. You're also gonna need a number 6 to reinstall the new bolts that come with Advanblack, as with the spacers. And if you don't have one of these, definitely get one. It'll make life a lot easier. You can use your wrench definitely to remove them. It's a good idea. Break them with this. Then once they're broken, pretty much it's one. To the other side, because I don't want it to fall off. Three. Let's get to the last one. pretty much just lift. Make sure you don't hit any of your front forks or anything like that. And I always repackage back into the stock, or not the stock, but I put the stock part back into the box the new part came in. All right, so what I did was pretty much I used some blue medium strength thread locker, get it ready. Got the fenders protection off, and what I'm pretty much did was I put all my setup as far as like spacers, nuts and bolts, the right ones to the right, left ones to the left, and be pretty much cautious of when you're installing it. You don't want to scratch up your brand new fender. Try to get it as lined up as possible. They are longer, so you are going to lift it up, put a spacer in between, and then put your bolts through. So let's get to that part. Not the easiest of things to do alone. If you do have an extra set of hands at home, make sure you ask for them to help, but you can do it on your own. Once you get one side in, it'll make it easier to set up the other side. So with that, both top sides done. Get the bottom one in. go. Now at this point, pretty much you can take your washers and the nut. Slide them on. Get it started a little bit. All right, get the other side on. I'm just double checking to see if I got it to full tightness that I want to get to, and perfect. Looks way better, way better. All right, see you guys on the next one. Hope this will show you how easy it is to install it. All you need is literally a couple of hand tools and about maybe 30 minutes at max. Takes longer when you're recording, but at this point, I hope it helped everyone with the tools you need. And pretty much you can order your parts from Advanblack. I will put descriptions below showing where I ordered it, and it does take a little while, especially for color matching. So just take that into consideration when ordering. All right, see you guys on the next one. Bye.